Did you know that over 54 million adults in the United States alone suffer from arthritis, making it one of the most prevalent chronic conditions? Inflammation, a key component of arthritis, can cause immense discomfort and hinder everyday activities. But fear not, because today we're diving into the world of natural remedies. In this video, we'll unveil the top 8 natural foods that can effectively combat arthritis and inflammation, allowing you to reclaim control of your health and vitality. So grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss out on these dietary powerhouses that can transform your life. Let's jump right in. Starting with number 8, fatty fish. Such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their ability to combat inflammation and alleviate joint stiffness in people suffering from arthritis. Studies have consistently demonstrated the therapeutic effects of omega-3 fatty acids in managing the symptoms of arthritis, offering relief to individuals dealing with the discomfort and limitations imposed by this condition. Incorporating these types of fish into one's diet can contribute significantly to improving joint health and overall well-being, providing a natural and delicious way to support arthritis management. Before we continue to the next food on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Bringing us to number 7, berries. Encompassing a vibrant array including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, emerge as potent reservoirs of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, these miniature marvels offer more than just a burst of flavor. Their nutritional profile underscores a potential ally in the fight against inflammation, offering a ray of hope for individuals grappling with arthritis. Antioxidants like anthocyanins possess remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, potentially mitigating the discomfort associated with arthritis symptoms. Furthermore, the presence of vitamin C further amplifies their therapeutic potential, fortifying the body's defense mechanisms against oxidative stress and bolstering overall joint health. Number 6, we have leafy greens. Encompassing a verdant spectrum including spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens, stand out as nutritional powerhouses brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Beyond their vibrant hues and crisp textures, these vegetables offer a wealth of health benefits, particularly in the realm of inflammation management and joint support. Laden with antioxidants, leafy greens provide a formidable defense against inflammation, potentially alleviating discomfort associated with joint conditions. Moreover, their rich vitamin and mineral content fortifies overall joint health, offering a holistic approach to wellness. Let's move on to number 5, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds emerge as nutritional powerhouses, teeming with omega-3 fatty acids and a myriad of other essential nutrients renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond their crunchy texture and satisfying taste, these tiny treasures offer a potent arsenal against inflammation, particularly concerning arthritis. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they wield formidable anti-inflammatory effects, potentially mitigating the discomfort and stiffness associated with joint conditions. Additionally, their diverse nutrient profile contributes to overall joint health, offering a holistic approach to managing arthritis symptoms. By integrating these wholesome nuts and seeds into one's diet, individuals not only indulge in their delightful flavors, but also embark on a journey toward fostering joint wellness and alleviating inflammation, paving the way for enhanced vitality and quality of life. Number 4 on our list is turmeric. Revered for its medicinal properties, owes its potency to curcumin, its active compound boasting formidable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. Renowned for centuries in traditional medicine, turmeric has gained widespread recognition for its potential to alleviate arthritis symptoms. The anti-inflammatory prowess of curcumin may play a pivotal role in mitigating joint discomfort, while its antioxidant properties contribute to combating oxidative stress and fostering overall joint health. Whether incorporated into meals as a spice or consumed as a supplement, turmeric stands as a natural remedy with the potential to bring relief to those grappling with arthritis. Bringing us to number 3. Ginger, celebrated for its culinary and medicinal virtues, harbors a wealth of healing compounds such as gingerol and shogaol, renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. This fiery root has long been prized in traditional medicine for its ability to alleviate a spectrum of ailments, including arthritis-related pain and inflammation. By incorporating fresh ginger into one's diet or indulging in soothing ginger tea, individuals may find relief from the discomfort and stiffness associated with arthritis. The anti-inflammatory prowess of gingerol and the analgesic effects of shogaol work in tandem to offer a natural and holistic approach to managing arthritis symptoms. Let's move on to number 2. Garlic, esteemed not only for its pungent flavor but also for its myriad health benefits, harbors sulfur compounds known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. These sulfur compounds, including allicin, allyl disulfide, and others, contribute to garlic's therapeutic potential in combating inflammation. Incorporating garlic into meals not only enhances the taste, but also offers a natural remedy for alleviating symptoms associated with arthritis. By including this aromatic bulb in culinary creations, individuals may experience a reduction in inflammation and find relief from joint discomfort. Number 1, we have green tea. Green tea is known for its many health benefits, and one of the reasons is its antioxidants, especially catechins. These antioxidants are really good at fighting inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, which can help prevent chronic diseases and keep you feeling well overall. Studies show that drinking green tea might even help protect the cartilage in your joints from breaking down, which is important for keeping them healthy. By making green tea a part of your daily routine, you can take advantage of its powerful antioxidants to support your joint health and reduce inflammation. Plus, you get to enjoy its refreshing taste and aroma at the same time. Thank you for watching our video on the 8 best natural foods for arthritis and inflammation. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who may benefit from learning about natural remedies for arthritis and inflammation. Stay tuned for more videos on living a healthy and vibrant life. Until next time, take care and be well.